So I thought it would be fun to do this little project before our next trip this weekend. I'm going to, well, first I'm going to flip this screen around. I'm going to take this piece from the bed frame. This piece is the piece that slides that way under these when we are not using it. And I saw online some people just drill like holes in a nice design to make it a little lighter, and I wanted to do the same thing. I thought it looked really cool. So that is what I'm gonna do. So that's all I was able to do today. I kind of like the design. I think I was just kind of freestyling it. I don't really know what I was doing, but now I kind of have the design and I have the plan, and I'm going to continue now that I know what I'm doing a little bit. I think it'll go a little bit quicker, but it's late. I got to work in the morning. So I'm calling it a night. So I'm gonna test it out. I think it might break, so I want to get it on film. It's definitely lighter though, which is cool. Whoa. Hold on, I got it backwards. I think it might be fine, huh?
We'll see.
All right, the big reveal. You can see.
Yeah, I can see. Oh my goodness.
Oh.
How does it feel?
It feels good.
It's not caving or anything?
No, nothing. It's solid.
Nice.
It's super. It's more. I'm surprised. It's more solid than I thought it would be.
I know, it's like Swiss cheese.
I mean,